The Supreme Court appears ready to reject President Trump's effort to end birthright citizenship. Today, with Trump in attendance, the justices heard arguments as to whether the president's order on his first day in office was constitutional. That order declared children born to parents in the U.S. illegally or temporarily are not American citizens. The justices appeared skeptical.
You're using some pretty obscure sources to get to this concept.
Children of ambassadors, children of enemies during a hostile invasion, children on warships, and then you expand it to the whole class of illegal aliens are here in the country. I'm not quite sure how you can get to that big group from such tiny and sort of idiosyncratic examples.
The Supreme Court is expected to rule by this summer. ABC 10 News reporter Karina Vargas looks at the consequences if the justices allow the president's order to stand.
At the center of today's Supreme Court hearing is birthright citizenship. It comes from the 14th Amendment, which has long been understood to mean if you're born in the U.S., you are automatically a citizen. On the first day President Trump took office, he signed an executive order that attempts to ban automatic U.S. citizenship to children born from undocumented migrants.
Should the Supreme Court rule in favor of the Trump administration, anyone born in the United States after February of 2025 that cannot establish their parents were lawfully here will have their citizenship revoked.
Jeff Lewis is an appellate attorney. He says Trump's argument is that the 14th Amendment was never meant to apply as broadly as it does today, and that it was only meant to grant citizenship to freed slaves and their children. Lewis worries about the long-term implications if the court sides with that view.
It is hard for me to imagine the Trump administration showing grace and patience and not extending it backwards if they get the wiggle room to do that.
This fear of what could happen is hitting local DACA recipients here in San Diego about their future.
If at any point I wanted to have children, I would hope that my children will have the same opportunity as their neighbor born across the street.
Diego Miranda tells me over the phone that there is a lot of uncertainty within the immigrant community and feels like they're constantly under attack.
So it's definitely scary to be one of the people that has a target on their back. You know, I was raised like any other American except on paper, and yet we're not treated the same.
For now, the justices are listening, asking questions, but not making a decision just yet. A ruling is expected later this year, and the outcome could change something that's been in place for generations. Karina Vargas, ABC 10 News.